Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making a gingerbread house. I'm first starting off by taking 145 grams of softened unsalted butter and putting that into my bowl and blending until smooth. Into the sugar I'm taking 150 grams of dark brown sugar. To the sugar and butter I'm adding 1 large egg. This was actually a double yolker, which is kind of cool, from my mum's chickens. It's a double yolker. And into that mixture I'm adding a good swig of vanilla essence. I'm also adding 200 grams of black treacle. I've made these gingerbreads quite a few times now, and for this time I used this like hook attachment, and this worked really well, better than the whisks. To this mixture I'm adding in 438 grams of plain flour. For the spices I am going in with half a teaspoon of cloves, half a teaspoon of allspice, a tablespoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of ground ginger. These are all ground. I'm also adding a teaspoon of baking soda. Now on a lightly floured surface I have got my dough, and I've split that into two and put it in the fridge for a good 2 hours, and now I am rolling out my dough. You want this to be quite thick as it needs to be strong enough to stand up. So I got my gingerbread house cutters from Aldi and I'm really impressed with them. There was 11 pieces in and it made a really nice shape. So once you have all of the pieces cut out, put them in the oven for about 10 to 13 minutes at 177°C or 350 Fahrenheit, and they should come out like this. Now for the icing, I just did a royal icing and I just whisked 1 egg white and just added in icing sugar until it came to a thick consistency. And here's a little time lapse of me assembling the gingerbread house, which is quite fun. I just used the royal icing to kind of glue the sides together and all the little accessories on, and dusted with icing sugar. So enjoy watching this little time lapse, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas tomorrow, and I'll see you again on Sunday with another video. Thanks for watching.